Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine, chapter 115, part 2. So here it is. Let's read the story. Now, Jishao, she was still sleeping, and Wei Xingyu, she looks really worried, but she has been sleeping. It's been a week. Wei Xingyu said to Dr. An. Wei Xingyu, if you care so much, don't think so much. We'll be only in chaos. You have to have confidence in Jishao. I have to go to the ward round, and I will come back in the afternoon. Then, Aunt Anne went out, and it was Wei Xingyu who left on the room. Thank you, Auntie Anne, Wei Xingyu said to Dr. Anne. Well, right now, she's going out also. But suddenly, it was Jishao, suddenly waking up. He said to her, "Hey," but Wei Xingyu doesn't notice it until she finally realized Wei Xingyu. Jishao was calling her. Now, she put on pause. Probably, she realized right now that it was Jishao. Facing you, she looked back suddenly, and now she was calling Jishao. Look at her. She looks really happy. She know to herself that Jishao, she really waking up. But for Jishao, she still looked weak. Jishao said to her, "Sorry for worrying you again." Well, looking at her face, she was still pale, but at least she really waking up. But Wei Xingyu, since she was really surprised, she was crying of happiness. Of course, she was really happy. "Why did you wake up?" Wei Xingyu said to her. She was still crying. "I'm going to be scared to death." Well, definitely, she got really worried. It's been a week that she's been sleeping, and now she already waking up. But now, Jishao said to her, "Sorry, I should have woken up earlier." Well, definitely the two of them are really happy seeing each other again. "I have heard you talking to me these days," Jishao said to her. Now, she realized she's been hearing Wei Xingyu all the time. "Thank you for being here with me all the time. Thank you for awakening me." Jishao, she was really thankful on Wei Xingyu. Because of her voices and courage, Wei Xingyu, she really guides Jishao to come back. Jishao asked her, "Is the company going well? I see you moved the office over." Well, definitely just to be with her. Basically, already, after the meeting, I will sign a contract in the afternoon. Now, she's been telling Jishao what's happening in the company. Jishao said to her, "That was great. It looked like today is your lucky day." Well, definitely, she is. Right now, Jishao, since finally she came back, you only know how to care about me. Why are you not concerned on your own surgery?" Wei Xingyu said to her, of course, she should really need to concern about her own surgery, right? In the book, Dr. An's gland reverse surgery has never failed. What's more, I have a feeling that the discomfort on my glands is fading. Wei Xingyu said, "I am grateful sometimes you can know this. Sometimes I'm very worried, afraid that the world will take you away at any time." Well, definitely, she got really worried about her. But Jishao said to her, "Am I still not there?" Well, definitely, now she was teasing her, right? Two of them are holding each other hands. "Teasing you. Then, you promise me. You are always there." Looking at the face of Wei Xingyu, she looks really worried, that's why she wants to make an assurance. But Jishao said to her, "Then you have to give me some rewards." She was pointing on her lips. Well, definitely, she is getting tricky. "Wei Xingyu, what are you going to do?" Right now, she lifted up Jishao's hand. Well, definitely, she was moving closer to her, and she was giving her a reward that she already want. "Promise me, don't leave me," Wei Xingyu said to her. Well, the two of them finally getting rekindled again. Let's see on what will happen next. Thank you guys for the love and support. I am so thankful. Much love everyone. Thank you angels for always supporting me. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!